I've been the chef coming on 3 years here at Higher Grounds, and it's a all-day venue. I guess you would call it modern Australian. We like to try push the boundaries a little bit, try to do something a little bit less pedestrian and a little bit more interesting than the everyday cafe fare. The Infinity Blue product that we've had through the kitchen is some of the best fish that we've seen. The flesh itself straight away is so clean and so white, such a fresh, more natural flavoured barramundi that we just haven't seen before. So I've been playing around with a smoked barramundi, done some scrambled eggs, saltbush, green oil, amazing.
So my name is Axel, I'm the sous chef at Bottega, Italian restaurant in Melbourne CBD. Here we cook in modern Italian food, but we obviously look at the past. We specialize on fresh pasta. We like to work with fresh meat and fish. We're looking for the best product. The flavor of the Barramundi from Infinity Blue is really easy to work with. It's not a very strong flavor, but it fits beautifully with anything. And I really like it because they give you space to create and try new things. We're running a special with chickpeas and roast pepper stew. The taste of the dish is great. It's full of flavor, it's really aromatic, and also the Infinity Blue Barramundi provides a really crispy skin, and that's bringing a new texture to the game.
My name is Miroslav Damjanovic. I work at a waterfront seafood restaurant in the South Bank, doing all the local produce. We try to get all the different varieties of the fish all around the country, from sashimi grade fish down to farm fish as well. Why we like to use Infinity Blue Barramundi at waterfront is because getting the perfect clean taste through it, nice oil content, it gives us more opportunities and more creativity to work with the product, steaming, frying, any ways of doing it. So it's essentially taking that barramundi to a next level in making sure that we can use it in the raw product as well. I'll give you a quick recipe for the mums and dads of Australia, something that most of the restaurants are doing. You're getting a nice piece, 700 to 800 gram barramundi, cooked on the bone, char grilled, finished in the oven, finishing with some brown butter, lemon juice, parsley, capers, and some shaved fennel on top. Easy done at home.